Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will talk about a new package in React.js which allows you to drag elements from one place to another. So we actually have this div element. So with the help of the mouse we can drag it anywhere in the web page. So there are many situations that you want this feature to be inside your web applications. You are building any sort of game or any sort of web application which involves dragging elements. So this is a great feature, great package in specifically for React.js applications. You can do this. I will show you step by step. There is a package. So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, which is react-draggable. This is the package, the component, and almost 3 million weekly downloads. So this is actually the command here. You need to install it. So I've already installed it, so I will show you step by step how to do this. So just make a simple functional component, and I will just require this package, import draggable from React draggable. After importing it inside your JSX, you can take any element. It can be either image or div, heading, paragraph, any element, valid HTML element. So I will just give it a height of 100 bh, and you can even give it a background color as well. So I'm just giving this background F9, F9, F9. So it's a grayish color. Inside this, we will have an h1 here, which will say React draggable demo. And now I'll be using this component draggable, and it basically takes some options. The first option is in which axis you want to drag this element. So we have these choices. We have none, which will not disable the dragging. If you only want to drag it in the horizontal direction, then you will provide x-axis. And if you want to drag it in the vertical direction, then you will provide y. If you want both, then you can provide both. And then it has some callback functions. So whenever you drag, this function will execute handle drag. I will basically define this. When the dragging start, then this function will execute handle start. This name can be anything, but I'm just calling it. So when the dragging stop, then handle stop. So all these are callback functions, so we can just define this one by one. So handle drag, then we got handle start when the dragging process start, when they stop it, when we have handle stop. So all these three functions, we have defined it, and right here, if you now inside your draggable component, inside we can define anything. It can be a paragraph, simple paragraph. This is paragraph. So if you just refresh your browser, what you will see, there is this paragraph that you can move only in the x-axis, which is the horizontal. If I change this to y here, so what I will find out, I can only move it in the vertical direction. But if you want to move it in both the directions, then we need to provide both. So now you can move it in any direction, in x-axis, y-axis, anywhere, vertically, horizontally. So this can be a div element. So this can be image, this can be anything. So let me provide a div element with custom styles. It's just a box. We have given some styles to it, width, height, background color, display, all these things. So it will look something like this, and you can drag it anywhere else. So this can be a very simple example how to drag HTML elements inside your web page using this package React Draggable. The possibilities can be endless. So if your application requires that the user may interact with the elements, they can drag and drop elements. This can be a great package. So for building it, so that's why it is having almost 3 million weekly downloads. So thank you very much for watching this video. And I think inside these callback functions, inside whenever you drag your elements, so basically we have passing these coordinates which are there. You can console log these coordinates whenever you drag your elements. So inside these callback functions, When the dragging start, dragging end, we can console log the messages just to check in the console it is working. So if I just inspect element, go to console, so if you see, as we are dragging this element, you will see the x coordinate, y coordinate is printed out. And this is very helpful in building out games, I think, this specific library. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains 1000 tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.